GitHub. It is a great platform to showcase your skills and also the projects that what you're building. So nowadays, it is more important than your resume. Hello developers, welcome to day 3 of our 10 days internship or job readiness program series. In this video, we'll try to understand what is GitHub and then why it is so important for freshers. So what is GitHub? GitHub is a version control system where you can store your codes. So example, in a company where group of people will work on a project. So every day they contribute some code. And we should have a centralized location where you can manage all these codes and then merge all these codes to build the product. So that's where the version control systems will come into the picture. GitHub is a platform where you can store your projects. So as a fresher, in your resume, you'll just mention what are the skills that you know and also write the projects what you build in a description format. But majority of the hiring managers and then the technical managers want to see how you are writing the code, what is your code quality, what are the technologies you are using for building your product, and what are the best practices you are following while building your projects, and then how consistently you are writing the code. So are you learning the new technologies and trends, and are you contributing to any open source projects? Like these important information, they'll understand just going through your GitHub profiles. That's why it is very, very important than your resume. And in your resume, you should definitely mention your GitHub profile. And there is a highly chance that if you have good projects, and people will select you for the further rounds. Even at our company, for internship, we'll go to their GitHub profiles and then understand what kind of a projects they are building to consider for the next round of interviews. GitHub is not just a platform to store your code. You can also contribute to the open source projects by interacting with fellow developers from the developer community and can learn the latest trends and technologies and tools, where you can build your professional network as well. If you do not have your GitHub profile, just create it right now. Even if you're writing your high-level program, that should be there in your GitHub profile. If you need a webinar or a masterclass on this topic, please comment interested in the comment section. I'll definitely plan one webinar or a masterclass on this topic. Even if you have any doubts, please do mention them in the comments. If you like this video, please hit a like and then subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with all your friends who are searching for either internships or job opportunities. It is going to be a great help for them. Let's build a great developer community all together. See you in the next videos.